Hi, family. I wanted to come to you on the last day of 2025 and thank you truly for making this year so memorable. I've been a little quiet on social media, as many of you have noticed over the last few days, and honestly, that was intentional. I needed to take a pause, to reflect on the year ahead, to ground my spirit, and honestly, I wanted to be fully present with my loved ones during this holiday season. You know, as I've been sitting with 2025, I've realized just how tumultuous this year has been for so many of us. Old systems have crumbled. There have been global political and economic crises. And many of the things that once felt like sources of security were suddenly removed from underneath us. 2025 truly was the year of the snake. And just like a snake sheds its skin in order to renew itself, I believe we've all experienced some level of shedding this year, whether we wanted it to or not. Letting go of identities, structures, beliefs, ways of operating that no longer fit who we're becoming. As we move forward to 2026, it will be the year of the horse. And often, after great destruction comes great creation. I believe that in 2026, we will be off to the races with the horse energy of creation, momentum, and forward movement. In fact, I'm declaring for myself and for my community that 2026 is the year of conscious creation. We're living through rapid changes with AI across nearly every segment of society, and it's forcing us to re-examine what life, work, and leadership will look like going forward. One thing that's become incredibly clear to me over the last few weeks is just how deeply I desire to retain our humanness in this shift. While AI holds extraordinary potential for those who learn to work with it consciously, it also carries the risk of entrapping us in a new kind of chaos, one where we trade beauty, creativity, and depth for clones and convenience. The very elements that amplify our human divinity, our voice, our energetic presence, our intuition, our discernment, are not becoming less important. In fact, they're actually becoming essential. As we step into 2026, we need them more than ever. We are also seeing clear data that ambitious women are experiencing burnout at unprecedented levels, and more adults than ever are reporting deep loneliness. And that matters. Because as I help build and shape what's emerging in the AI transformation, I want to place equal emphasis on not just retaining our humanity, but amplifying it. In 2026, I want to explore new ways to bring people together, to inspire human-led creation, and to connect women in real community. The point is that the future we co-create doesn't replace us, but it actually elevates us. Let's make 2026 the year of conscious creation, not from chaos, fear, or greed, but from divinely inspired human potential. Happy New Year. I'm deeply looking forward to what we can create together in 2026.